Morning, friends. Just finished the morning coffee. Got something a little different for you today. FedEx brought me a package. It's a security camera, a wireless security camera. It's supposed to last up to 180 days on the battery built in. Of course, they sent me this for free to see if we'd like it. Let's see what we got in the box. Well, if somebody sends you something for free, the least you can do is say their company name correctly. So I looked it up. And how do you say it? This is Google Translate.
Arenti.
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 Arenti. How do you like my Italian? So what do we got in the box? Well, first let's read what's on the box. See the pictures there? It says you can watch your dog, you can watch your cat, you can watch a baby, you can watch a burglar with a crowbar trying to get into your house, you can watch your doorbell, home monitor, garden monitor, small business monitor. It's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi router connection and full HD 1080p wire-free Wi-Fi rechargeable battery camera. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice packaging. You know, I recently got a new $1,200 iPhone 13, and one of the things I noticed was that the packaging was really good. I'm starting to get that same feeling about the quality. Well, we've got a user guide. We have some stickers for your window that say Arenti security camera protected by. Well, we've got some screws, what appears to be a charger, a charging cable, some more mounting screws. This is it's a swivel mount, so you can mount it in any position. Guess that's a different kind of mount. And the camera itself. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavier than I thought. It's like, it feels good. It's like, it's Italian. It feels like a Ferrari. The weight is the first thing that really strikes me. And probably, I guess that's why it will last so long. It says, one of the places I read, I guess that was on Amazon where you can buy it. I was reading that it lasts for up to 180 days. But I was skeptical about that, but I'm starting to believe it with the weight of the camera itself. It feels good. Let's see what we're going to have to do here. Camera configuration, 5 steps. Number 1, turn on the camera. Good idea. Connect the smartphone to the Wi-Fi network. Oh, download the Arenti app from the App Store or from Google Play. Launch the app and follow the steps to add your camera. Well, I'm going to accomplish all of that. My son and I have figured out where we're going to put this on the Arizona property. But first I wanted to tell you about some other things I haven't talked about that this camera will do. And I made a little list so I wouldn't forget. The app that you get off of Google Play or the App Store is free. And that's what enables your smartphone or your iPad or whatever to hook up to the camera feed from anywhere in the world. The app is free. It has a 6700 milliamp rechargeable battery, and that will run the camera for 30 to 180 days depending upon how many times a day it's activated and records. It has clear night vision out to 32 feet, that's 10 meters. It has an adjustable artificial intelligence motion sensing, and that's so that it doesn't pick up rabbits when they go by, maybe only humans, or it might keep it from activating on a tree when the wind blows. It notifies your phone anywhere you are in the world, as long as you have a Wi-Fi signal on your phone. It's IP65 weather protected, so it's safe outside. And I looked that up to see what IP65 means. Essentially, it means that you could squirt it with a hose, but you can't submerge it underwater. It has two-way audio, so you can see, hear, and talk, which means you could talk to an arriving guest and hear what they say if you had it at your front door. Or you could yell at an intruder. It has a way to set the length of the recordings from 60 seconds to 180 seconds, a minute to 3 minutes, depending on what your preference is. And it takes a 128 gigabyte micro SD card, up to that big. There's also a cloud service available, and I've never looked up the cost of a cloud service before, but I found this very interesting. And if you wanted 7 days or 30 days, I think a year's worth of service for 30-day holding of your videos was $79 or something like that. Anyway, I was blown away by how inexpensive it is for that cloud service. Hey, I'm going to buy some more of these. We want some more on a ranch property. We definitely want one down there by the barn. I want one that focuses on my motorhome when I'm back home in Mexico. And I've discovered that on the Arenti website, they sell a solar panel that hooks up to this camera, which means that if you got a little bit of sun here and there in 180 days, it's going to last indefinitely without you doing anything, except maybe checking your phone to see what's going on. And if something is going on, of course, your phone will send you, the camera will send your phone a notice. I'm also going to buy some more of these for my home down in Mexico. I like this camera. And full disclosure, I have some other security cameras. I like this one better. And I don't just say that because they sent me a free one. If you've watched my videos for a while, you know I don't do this for the money. I just like this camera. And I'm going to order a bunch of them. But wait, there's more. I had this video all ready to go, and I found out a couple more things that I think you'd be interested in knowing. I was a little unclear about what this mount was for when I was doing the unboxing, and look at this. It's a magnetic mount, and you can ingeniously put it in any position on the mount, and then when you need to recharge it, take it in the house and recharge it. Stick it back up. Genius. Oh, we figured out where we're going to put this. On the property here, on the Arizona ranch. But here's the deal. I'm not going to tell you. I think the whole idea of having a security camera is you don't know when you're on camera. And somebody comes around and starts doing something they shouldn't, we'll know about it. But they won't know we know about it. That's the point. Thought I was done making this video, but I came back one more time to tell you a couple more things. When we put that camera up where we permanently installed it and reset it to my son's much faster modem and much faster internet speed in the house, all of that jerkiness and stuff went away. It's a great picture and smooth video. I'm not going to show you that because, like I said before, I don't want you to know where the camera is, but take my word for it. Great picture, smooth video with a internet speed that's usable instead of that tiny little cheap modem in my